Hi guys, this is Jace with the Twin Cities Elite Real Estate Group here. Just wanted to chat with you a little bit about some tips for investing if that's something that you're starting to consider getting into. You know, one of the big things some of the investors I work with that I think do a really good job of is finding a specific location that they want to, work in, have single family, multifamily properties in, and they don't spread themselves too far in terms of those locations because they get very good at working in those specific locations that they try to specialize specifically in that area. The second thing is kind of a price point, right? So any property that you're going to buy in the future likely is going to require you to put 20 to 25% down if it is in fact going to be an investment property. So staying within that price point is going to be very important, just knowing that what you're looking at and factoring in some of the repair costs to get this property up to snuff in order to potentially rent that property out or potentially flip that property in the near future. So all of that is very important when kind of deciding to get into an investment property. The third thing that I would mention in terms of the investment is, there's different financing options that you can go about talking to a lender. Interest rates are very good right now, so that's something to utilize. I know there are some cash buyers in the market right now. Ultimately, with such a good interest rate right now, sometimes it makes a little bit more sense to finance that investment property and retain some of that cash, and you might potentially be able to go and buy another property sooner than you were expecting just because the money's so cheap right now. But everybody's got a unique situation, but just a couple things to consider if that's something that you're looking into in the near future. And if you have any questions for me or anybody on our team specifically, we'd love to chat with you a little bit more about that and help you kind of work towards that goal.